Hi, boys and girls. I hope you had a great day yesterday. Today is day 2 of our recorded morning meeting, and you're looking at our October calendar, and we are going to start that. So if you are looking at today, yes, it is Tuesday. So we're going to go ahead and put Tuesday up there. Oh, got to move that. Boys and girls, if today is Tuesday, yesterday must have been, that's right, yesterday must have been Monday. And if today is Tuesday, tomorrow is going to be Wednesday. And yesterday we were on Monday the 12th, which means today is Tuesday. That's right, it is Tuesday the 13th. And we put that ordinal ending, the 13th. So today is Tuesday, October 13th, 2020. Say it together with me. Here we go. Today is Tuesday, October 13th, 2020. Very good. Moving on to our place value. Yesterday we were in school for 24 days, which means today we're going to add a cube. And when we add that cube, that turns it into 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So we are now in school for 25 days. So going down, if we are in school 25 days, what is one more than that? If you said 26, that is correct. And one less than 25 is going to be 24. 10 more than 25 is going to be 35, and 10 less than 25 is going to be 15. Our tens frame, we're going to go ahead and we're going to move a dot right up into that tens frame there, and we can see that we have 1/2 filled. Since we know that a whole tens frame is 10, half of that, yes, half of that is 5. So we're going to count these. If you said by tens, that is correct. We're not going to go back to 1. We know a full tens frame is 10, so we're going to count them by tens. Here we go. 10, 20, 25. Ooh, we could also go 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Our tally marks, we're going to go ahead and we are going to add a diagonal tally mark. And we're going to make that a group of 5. We're going to count these by, that's right, by 5s. Count with me. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And our money today. So we need to change this 24 into a 25. There are several ways we can do this. First way we're going to do it is by adding one more penny. If we add 1 penny and we start counting with the highest coin, which is the dime, and a dime is worth 10 cents, we can count 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. But I want you to look closely. Can I make an exchange? Oh, I know a nickel is worth 5 cents, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pennies. So I can make an exchange. I can take away my 5 pennies. And remember, when we exchange, we have to put back the same amount that we took out. So we're taking out 5 pennies, and we're putting in a nickel because a nickel is worth 5 cents. So let's see if we have 25. 10, 20, 25. We do. But guess what? There is one more exchange we can make. Take a close look. See if you can figure it out. While you're doing that, I'm going to go ahead and change this 24 to a 25 and this 24 to a 25. Wow. If you said we can exchange these 2 dimes and nickel for a quarter, wow, kiss your brain. Because a quarter is worth 25 cents, and that's exactly what I have. so we can make an exchange and put in 1/4. Whoa. All right, think about how you are feeling today. You would have already told me how you were feeling and why you were feeling that way on your attendance slide this morning in Google, because you needed to do that before you started listening to this. And our affirmation, remember, we are doing the first 5. We're going to say them all together. Number 1 is I can do this. On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, I can do this. Number 2, excuse me, on the count of 3, I am smart. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, I am smart. Number 3 is I am friendly. We're going to say that all together on the count of 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, I am friendly. Number 4 is I am awesome. We're going to do that on the count of 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, I am awesome. Number 5 is I am calm. We're going to go ahead and do I am calm on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, I am calm. Great job, boys and girls. All right, I'm going to go ahead and flip over to our checklist for today. And I'm going to put up day 2 because that's what we're working on today. Day 2. Your day 2 is today, Tuesday. And yesterday, I hope you completed all of your assignments and you were to upload your workbook page 34, those sentences, into Google Classroom when you were finished. I hope you did that too. Today, in Science and Social Studies, you are going to be brainstorming. I want you to think about what you think a scientist is. What do you think a scientist does? What are some different types of scientists? I want you to do that brainstorming, and then I want you to record your brainstorming thoughts on the Google slide that is in Google Classroom under Science and Social Studies. You're going to complete that. What is a scientist? For Tier Time, you are going to read independently. Remember, there are no spelling words this week. When you move on to Language Arts, you are going to be completing Accelerate Module 5, Lesson 5.2, Farm Visit. You are going to be completing workbook pages 36, 37, and 38. And then you are also going to be writing the first draft of your paragraph, and you are going to go back and reread. You're going to revise that first draft by adding some details. Make sure you are using words like first, next, then, last. So you are not only writing your first draft, but you are also revising it today. Make sure you are adding lots of details and those transition words. In math, you are going on to Accelerate. You are completing Skip Count by 5 and Skip Count by 2, 5, and 10. You also need to complete extra math practice. So again, in Science and Social Studies, Google slide, what is a scientist? Making sure that you are brainstorming before you complete the slide. Then you're going to move on to Tier Time, where you are reading independently. You are going to Language Arts, where you are completing 5.2 in Accelerate, making sure you do workbook pages 36, 37, and 38. You are not uploading any of those. Then you're going to write the first draft of your paragraph, and you're going to make sure you also revise that first draft of your paragraph by adding details and those transition words, first, next, then, last. And then you are going to go on to Accelerate for math, Skip Count by 5, and Skip Count by 2, 5, 10, and completing extra math practice. Boys and girls, today there isn't anything that you need to upload into Google for me. What is a Scientist will already be there for me. And I want you to go ahead and write your first draft and revise it. We will be uploading your final copy tomorrow. Okay? Again, we have those office hours that you can get on to ask me a question. I'm sorry, I'm reaching for the time, so I'm sure what they are. 11:40 to 11:50 is the first office hour. And then 12:50 to 1 o'clock is the second time you can come on. If you have any questions, boys and girls, please come on during those times, 11:40 to 11:50 and 12:50 to 1 o'clock, and I'm happy to help you. I hope you have a great day of learning on this Tuesday. I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.